ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
ಬಾನುಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಾನತರಂಗದ ಶಾಲೆ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಗಂಗೆಯ ಶಾಲೆ.
ಬಾನುಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ
ಶಾಲೆ ಬಾನತರಂಗದ ಶಾಲೆ.
SSLC ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಷಯ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಗಣಿತ ಪಾಠದ 2ನೇ ಭಾಗ.
ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಸರಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಬಡಗ ಎಕ್ಕಾರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಗಣಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರಮ್ಯಾ ಕೆ.
Welcome to the second episode. Dear student, stop counting hours while studying and start solving problems, understand the methods, revise your previous work. Don't panic, you can achieve good results. By this positive attitude, we will continue of listing our important questions. Now we will discuss about 12th lesson, that is surface area and volume. A total of 7 marks question we can expect from this chapter. If previous chapter is allotted 3 marks, or 6 mark question from this chapter if previous chapter is allotted 4 marks. So we can distribute the mark for this chapter as 1 plus 1 plus 5 or 1 plus 1 plus 4. Therefore, student, we need to give more importance to the questions of 1 mark, 4 mark or 5 marks. Questions related to formulas in this chapter are expected for 1 mark. The formulas like lateral surface area of a cube, total surface area of a cube, and volume of cube. Similarly, lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of cuboid. Curved surface area, total surface area, and volume of cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. Daily write and study all these formulas. Other than this, you expect a very short method problems related to this formula for 1 mark. For example, circumference of the base of a cylinder is 22 cm and its height is 10 cm. Then its curved surface area is dash. We know that curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h, where 2 pi r is circumference, h is height. While substituting the value, we will get 22 into 10 equal to 220 centimeter square. Such easy questions you can expect for 1 mark. Now, we will list out some 4 or 5 marks question from this chapter. Dear student, to score 4 or 5 marks, you need to practice how to write the formulas of given solids. In this chapter, you will find questions on finding the area and volumes of a solid formed by combining 2 or more solids, like hemisphere on cube, cylinder on cuboid, cone surmounted by other solids, etc. For example, a cylinder of radius r, height h is mounted on hemisphere of radius r. Upon this solid, cone is kept of radius r. Slant height is L. Instead of R, H, L, they will give some values. To find the surface area and volume of the resulting solid, you have to write the formulas and collect it and write it. To find it, surface area of given solid equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. That is equal to curved surface area of cone formula is pi rl plus the formula for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh plus the curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. That means pi rl plus 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. In this 3, pi r is common. So take it out. You will get answer pi r into L plus 2h plus 2r. For this, substitute the values. Similarly, if you want to find the volume of a solid, then volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here, to find the height of the cone, we must use the formula, that is L square equal to h square plus r square. Substituting the values of L and R, we will get the value of h. From this chapter, we are expecting the questions for 4 or 5 marks. Hence, there is a possibility of asking both area and volume of a given solid. If it is for 5 marks, then that question might contain finding the value of h or L, or conversion of centimeter cube to liter. Dear student, remember 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube, whereas 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Or they may say to find the cost. Dear student, to get good marks in this chapter, you must consistently practice the order of writing the area and volume of the solid formed when 2 or more solids are combined. For such problems, refer your textbook, examples and exercise problems, and also solve some questions from old question paper. Next chapter of this book is Statistics. A total of 8 marks is allotted for statistics, which includes 2 chapters, that are Statistics and Probability. In statistics, we can expect a 4 or 5 marks question, that is 3 plus 1 or 3 plus 1 plus 1. For 1 mark, you can expect questions from the concept like class mark. The class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, or empirical relationship between the 3 measures of central tendency, that is 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean, or finding the mean, median or mode of ungrouped data. For example, 2, 3, 5, 2, 7, 8, 3, 5, 5. Find its median. First, arrange given data in ascending order. Then, the middlemost number is the median. If number of data is given even, then the midpoint of middlemost 2 numbers is the median. Or if they ask, find the mode of the given data, then the mode is the most frequently occurred number. In the above example, 2 is repeated 2 times, whereas 5 repeated 3 times. Therefore, the mode of the above question is 5. Now in 3 marks category, it is finding the mean, median or mode of grouped data. This question has an internal choice. So, dear student, all need to study the problems of mean, median and mode. To find the mean, you choose any one method. In the question paper, they are not going to mention the method of finding. The question will be to find the mean of the given data. So, there is no need to learn the 3 methods. Stick on to any one method. We will discuss some problems for mean and mode. Dear student, study the problems contains the 4 to 5 class intervals. I will give some example. Find the mean of the following grouped data. The class intervals are 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. The frequency for 0 to 4, it is 3. 4 to 8, it is 4. 8 to 12, it is 5. 12 to 16, it is 2. And 16 to 20, it is 6. To find the mean, we have to put 4 columns that contains first column class interval, second one frequency, third one is midpoint, fourth one is product of frequency and midpoint. So the midpoint of class interval 0 to 4 is 2. Similarly, the midpoint of 4 to 8 is 6 and 8 to 12 is 10, 12 to 16 is 14 and 16 to 20 it is 18. So multiply the frequency with the midpoint. So you will get as a FI/XI as 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 5 10s are 50, 2 14s are 28 and 6 18s are 108. If you'll add the product of frequency and the midpoint, you will get sigma FI/XI as 216 and also add the second column, that is the frequency, sigma Fi equal to 20. To find the mean, we know that the formula is used is sigma Fi/XI divided by sigma Fi, that is equal to 216 divided by 20 equal to 108 by 10, that is 10.8. Dear student, I'll give some more example for to finding the mean, that is class intervals. Take it as 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequency for this 6, 7, 4, 2, 1. Another example, class interval 1 to 5, 5 to 9, 9 to 13, 13 to 17, 17 to 21. The frequencies 15, 17, 8, 6 and 4. Another example, class intervals are 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequencies 3, 2, 6, 3, 1. We'll take some more examples for mode. To find the mode of the following data, the example is class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequencies are 1, 4, 8, 2 and 5. Here we need only two tables, that is class interval and frequency. The formula to find the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. F1 is the highest frequency. In the given table, the highest frequency is 8. For that, put F1. So F1 equal to 8. Above that frequency, that is F0 or F0, that is in this table it is 4. So F0 is 4. Below to F1, that is equal to F2. So that is in this table it is 2, F2 equal to 2. And the lower limit of the highest frequency, that is the lower limit, that is L, in this it is 30. The H is the difference between the class intervals, that is 40 minus 30, it is 10. While substituting this, we are getting 30 plus 8 minus 4 divided by 16 minus 4 minus 2 into 10. So 30 plus 8 minus 4 equal to 4 divided by 16 minus 6. Dear student, that both the numbers containing same sign, add that and put the greater number sign. So we will get 16 minus 6 in the denominator into 10. 16 minus 6 answer is 10. So in denominator contains 10 as well as numerator contains 10. it cancels. Therefore, the answer is 30 plus 4, 34. I'll give some more example for finding the mode of the following. So, the class interval is 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110. The frequency is 5, 8, 12, 6, 3. Another example, class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. The frequency for this 5, 6, 10, 4, 3. If you want take down another examples, the class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency 3, 5, 8, 16, 4. Another one, class interval 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Frequencies 12, 15, 8, 6, 7. It is possible for everyone to score full marks in this chapter. So learn by doing at least one problem from each, that is from mean, mode and median every day. Now the last lesson of this book is probability. Here we can expect a 4-mark question, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 2 or 1 plus 3 mark question. This is very easy chapter and contain only one exercise. The possible 1-mark question are in exercise 14.1, first main 5 questions, 4th question, 5th, 6th and 7th questions, and example 5. 2 or 3 mark question you will find in the example problems and also in exercise 14.1. Dear student, understand the concept of tossing the coins. If a coin is tossed once or twice or thrice, or tossing one coin or 2 coins or 3 coins, the number of outcomes are: for one coin tossed once, then total outcome is 2, that is a head and tail. 2 coins tossed simultaneously or one coin is tossed twice, the total number of outcome is 4, that are head tail, tail head and tail tail. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously or one coin is tossed thrice, the total outcome is 8. Remember these. Similarly, a die thrown once, the total outcome is 6. If it is 2 dice thrown, then total outcome is 36. Other than these, refer some questions of probability is given, find out the outcomes. For example, a box contains few balls in which 10 are blue in color, 20 are red in color and remaining are white in color. The probability of picking a blue colored ball is 1 by 5. Then find the number of balls in the box. Second question, what is the probability that the ball drawn is white? There are 10 blue color ball, 20 red color ball and the box contains some few balls. The total number of balls in the box is unknown. So here to find the probability, we'll take P of E equal to 1 by 5. Number of blue colored ball that equal to 10. Now substitute in the formula P of E equal to N of E divided by N of S. In the place of P of E, write 1 by 5 equal to 10 by N of S. N of S equal to 10 into 5, that is equal to 50. Number of balls in the box is equal to 50. Now we will find out number of white balls. That is equal to 50 minus 10 plus 20, that is 10 blue colored ball and 20 is red color ball. If we'll remove from 50, we will get number of white balls, that is 20. Now we will find out the probability that ball drawn is a white. That is P of E equal to N of E divided by N of S, that is equal to 20 by 50. So dear student, every time while solving the problems of probability, verify the answer by taking the datas P of E and N of E and find N of S. This helps you to solve the problems as already mentioned. We will take another example. That is, find the probability of getting at least one head when a coin is tossed twice. Here N of S equal to 4. That is HH, HT, TH and TT. If it is at least, the minimum number of head is 1 and maximum 2 head also included. If the question contains at most one head, then maximum number of head is taken is 1, minimum is 0 is included. Therefore, N of E equal to 3, that are HH, HT and TH. Therefore, probability equal to N of E divided by N of S, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now we'll take another example. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Here, the total outcome is 12 plus 132, that is equal to 144. Remember this, you have to add both defective as well as good pens to get the total outcome. So therefore, P of E equal to 132 divided by 144. In another example, a lot contains 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and others are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she buy it? Here, total outcome is 144 because 20 pens which are already present in this lot. Therefore, the N of S is 144. Therefore, P of E equal to 144 minus 20, that is 124 divided by 144. Therefore, P of E is 124 divided by 144. So, remember these key points and read the question 2 or 3 times, then write the answer. It's very easy to score 4 marks from this chapter. In exercise 14.1, give importance to all questions as well as learn to solve the problems of examples. Dear student, we have reached the end of today's session. I hope you found the methods, tips and important questions we discussed helpful in your preparation. Remember, mathematics is not just about solving problems. It's about understanding the concept and practicing regularly. As you continue your revision, always stay focused and determined. Break your study sessions into manageable parts and don't hesitate to revisit challenging topics. Success in the SSLC examination is within your reach if you put in your sincere effort. Before we wrap up, here is a little reminder. Stay confident, stay consistent, and always believe in your abilities. Hard work and dedication are your keys to success. Thank you for joining this session.
ಬಾನುಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಾನತರಂಗದ ಶಾಲೆ.
ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಬಾನುಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಗಣಿತ ಪಾಠದ 2ನೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ.
ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಗಂಗೆಯ ಶಾಲೆ.
ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಸರಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಬಡಗ ಎಕ್ಕಾರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಗಣಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರಮ್ಯಾ ಕೆ.
ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ